Good day. On today's video, I will show you how we're gonna fit the rear headrest on our Mercedes. You are right now on the Mercedes W126 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. For this job, what we will need, obviously the rear headrest, okay? You will need the mounting brackets and you will need the grommets, okay? So there will be 4 mounting brackets, 4 grommets and 2 headrests. Don't buy the headrest like this because you won't be able to mount it if you don't have this. These, I believe, are not being fabricated anymore. So if you find these on the internet second-hand, make sure it comes full. If not, you'll have a problem. In order to fit the headrest, obviously, we will need to remove the rear bench, okay? I won't show it to you because I've shown it to you in a previous video. So if you don't know how to remove it, watch the video and that's it. You will know how to do it. And it's very, very simple anyway. So I'll take it out, the bottom and the top part, and we'll start fitting all this. Now that we have removed the upper bench, we're gonna fit these below this. You see, we've got 1, 2 and 1, 2 here, okay? So that's where it goes. So this has to go under. You see, I've fitted one here, okay? So what you'll do, if here you've got like some kind of something like this, what you do, you will unglue it like so, okay? Then you will see there's one part that's more curved than the other, so you'll clip it on one side, and once it's fitted with a plier, you will force it into place. Once fitted, you should have that result, you see? Now we'll be ready to make the holes to fit the headrest. Now for the holes, I will show you the dimensions. So if you want, you can freeze the video and take all the measurements, okay? And then we're gonna measure it and we're gonna pierce it. I won't use a knife because the knife can cut through, or even the cut can go a bit further with the time. So what I will do, I will use a soldering iron to make the holes, okay? And later we'll fit this. When you want to measure where you're gonna cut, it can be a bit doubtful. So from the side, because it's round, you don't know exactly where to start. So what I've done, I've went from the back, and this is the center. So obviously I've made a very little mark here, I've made a little mark there, I've measured between the two, it's exactly 150, that's great. So now from that point I've calculated the center of that grommet, okay? And then same here, I've calculated again the distance and it's great, it's perfect. So what I'll do now, I will place the parts, I will place it dead in the center, and I will mark it where I need to cut, okay? And then we'll start making the cut and it should be done. This is it, I've made my mark where I need to cut, okay? So now I will use an iron like this, okay? And I will burn it where I want to cut. So like that I'll be able to remove this. At the same time, by burning this, this will seal. And so this will prevent that this cracked a bit further. Now that I've made my holes, you see, now it won't go any further because it's sealed, okay? So now with the knife, I will go very gently inside and I will remove that excess that's there. And then we'll fit the supports. Once this is placed, that's perfect. Just make sure that the fabric goes very well on all those grooves, okay, on the inside. So you place it and then you push it in, okay. So once it's done, let's try it and see if it works. And it goes perfectly, and that's great. Now let's do the same on the other one. That's it. As you can see, it's now fitted. That's perfect. I'm very happy. Sad I couldn't find it in the color of the interior, but it doesn't matter. Later I can bring it to a trimmer and they will change the color. That will be the end of it. So anyway, I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's been useful to you. Stay tuned and we'll see each other in the next video soon. Take care.